Everyone, welcome back to Cheap RV Living. We get the honor of having a tour of this cool box truck. I saw it across the parking lot and I was like, I want to go see that thing. So we are joined by Andrea and Ja-Benoit, and they are going to show us their home. Guys, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you to welcoming us in your channel. Yeah.
All right, very good. So, all right, let's just go take a look.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Yeah. Let's do it. Come in.
All right. Oh, by the way, so what kind of truck, what kind of vehicle is this?
This is a GMC Savana 2500 box truck.
Box truck, okay.
It's a 2011. Year of it, yeah.
Okay.
And he has 226,000 miles.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Is it diesel then?
No, it's gas, and it's 4.8 liters.
4.8 liter. Okay,
yes.
Very good. And you did this build out yourself?
Yeah, I did everything by myself to make it cheaper as possible.
Okay.
Because the way that we like to travel together is to spend the most of the money to taste any food, any beers, any everything, and to enjoy more where we are.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was our plan to make it as cheap as we can.
Yeah, spending on the important things.
Yeah, yeah.
Very good. And how long have you been in it?
We before COVID, we traveled from Quebec to Guatemala border.
In this?
In this.
Wow.
And we came back to the Vancouver Island in British Columbia in Canada.
Okay.
And we left again this time Canada on November 8th.
Okay. And so you've been down here about a month and a half or so?
Yes.
Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
Very good. And then how long are you going to be down here for?
We don't know exactly, but for sure many months.
Many months. That's perfect.
Yes.
Good answer. So, all right, yeah. So show me inside. Let me see this build.
Yeah. So yeah, first thing we did is we insulated everything.
Oh wow. Okay.
Like floor, walls, ceiling, everything is fully insulated with this foam.
Okay.
Which is I think an R5 if I remember correctly.
R5. Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, those foam board, and in any joints there's a spray foam.
Oh
can.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and the ceiling too has some of this stuff too.
The Reflectix?
Reflectix on all ceiling plus the foam board.
Okay.
And the joint are still with the spray foam. So,
Okay.
So we slept in this truck in Canada at minus 35 Celsius, which is probably, I don't know, minus 30 Fahrenheit, minus 25 Fahrenheit.
I'm always confused at the conversion, but it's cold.
It was very, very cold. And yeah, we were okay to sleep for 2 hours without starting the engine and freezing cold. Yeah.
Oh, no kidding. That's awesome. All right, so well insulated.
Yeah, well insulated. That was the first thing. And,
perfect. And then, so where, what else did you build? So this is your water system right here, right?
Yeah. So
your fresh water?
So we bought, first thing, we're Canadian, as you guys know, we're from Quebec.
Okay, perfect.
So we bought, I would say 80% of anything we bought here was at Canadian Tire, which is a kind of a shop like maybe not Walmart style or whatever.
Okay, gotcha.
So to keep the price lower as much as we can. And,
yeah.
So we bought those jug here, which is 6 US gallons.
Okay. And that's your fresh water, your drinking water?
Yeah, so we could drink those guys. We have 5 of them.
Okay.
5 green 6 gallons. But we mostly drink the potable water go in this guy.
Okay. And you use the pump right on top there to dispense your water?
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. That's awesome. Very nice.
For cooking, we have a stove here.
Okay.
Just a propane stove, regular propane stove.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's like a Coleman or something like that.
Yeah, this one is outbound.
Okay.
Yes, but yeah, same kind of.
Same
cool.
kind.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah, with the little green propane tanks that we buy for $3 or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Perfect. And so you do the cooking there. What do you do for refrigeration?
For refrigeration, we have a company. It's called it's Bouge RV. And this was the cheapest I was able to find.
Do you mind if I come up here?
Yeah, do it. Yeah. So this company, we bought it on Amazon.
Okay.
And we paid for this about Yeah, $275 US for this fridge.
Oh, that's cheap.
This is very cheap, yeah.
Yeah.
And we run it through our solar panel and our batteries.
Okay. How much solar do you have on top?
We have 2 panels of 100 watts.
Okay, so
Yes.
200 watts total?
Yes, 200 watts totals. And for the battery banks, we have 2 deep cycled 6 volts.
6 volts. Oh, okay.
Connected together.
Gotcha. And that's enough to run your refrigerator?
Refrigerator, pump for the water.
Okay. Oh, for the shower there.
For shower there or for sink.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, I didn't even know. I was thinking this was just the pump down here. So, oh, you have running water in here. Awesome.
Yeah, we have that. And also we can use to...
That's an interesting faucet idea. That's really cool. I like that.
Want to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, just like basically the one you use for hose outside of your house, right? And, yeah.
That's perfect. I've never seen such a small nozzle, but it makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, because we can save more water with it to have like
Absolutely.
a very restriction there.
Yeah. Oh, that's incredible. Okay, and so also show me your shower then, because I've never seen someone use a barrel. Looks like the bottom of a barrel.
Yeah, so this is a barrel that I took at my job, and I just cut it with a grinder.
Okay.
That makes a great shower for it, and also a bath if we have a lot of water and would like to do it. Yeah.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
All right, and so
all the piping are just flexible.
Okay.
Vinyl piping.
Yeah.
The can handle, I think, is 150 psi. So
Okay.
no worries about that. And yeah, it's just like as you see, some clips that we screw there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, little connections. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
And then, is this your restroom here?
Yeah, this is just a regular pocket for number 1.
And then tell me about your sleeping situation.
Yes. So
That's a great look. That's a really cool bed that has a lot of height to it.
yeah, so we have lots of underneath space to range to place our stock. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we bought a mattress. We cut it in half.
What kind of mattress? Is it just like a foam mattress?
It's a foam mattress, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's a 8 inches, or I have to remember it, but yeah.
Okay. Oh, and this flips up, doesn't it?
This is like a comb bed. So just open like that, and I can show you.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah. So,
Oh, no way.
so we open it through there, and we put the first mattress here.
Okay.
We do the same thing in the morning.
Yeah.
Go back. Yeah.
Oh, that is great. I've seen something like that before, but never in person. I've seen them on videos. All right, and so then below there, so I look at I see a water pump down here. So everything is very accessible, so that if anything goes wrong, you can easily fix it then, right?
Totally. Yeah. That was a goal too. At the beginning, we wanted maybe to buy something already designed.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is, when you buy something like that and something break, you don't know necessarily how you can buy the parts, where is the problem, things like that. So
Absolutely.
So because I built everything by myself, I know exactly how to fix anything very quickly. Yeah.
Yeah, that's excellent. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, and then what is that up over there in that blinking box?
Yeah. This is the solar charge controller from Renogy.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Perfect.
So we bought the kit from them 2 years ago, and seriously, that was great quality price.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. And once you have solar, it's hard to go back to anything else. It's just free energy, and it's just always supplying, which I love that.
Totally, yeah. I think it's one of the future for sure. Like more you travel, more you see fields of solar panel.
For sure.
Which 10 years ago was maybe more rare, but yeah.
I would completely agree. Yeah, absolutely. And so then you also put some storage bins here on the wall. How did you attach those to the wall?
Yeah, so they are basically just screw right here, in the other side.
In the other side.
With a big ring to make sure that the screw doesn't go through there. Yeah.
Oh, so a big washer. Got
big
it.
washer, yeah.
Okay. And then this is going back to your kitchen area. Looks like your pots and pans. There's your stove. This is a great system. I really like this.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Yeah, this is a great build. And so then you can get through to the driver's side as well, or to the driving area through here?
Correct. Yeah. So
Did it come like that, or did you have to build that?
I just got it with the grinder.
Oh,
A little
okay.
door to have access to the front.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.
This dog is almost 16 years old.
Oh, you
Yes.
look beautiful. Hi. Hi. You are in good shape. Oh, hi. You are so cute. Oh, she's 16. Or he?
He's 16.
With a name like Harry, I guess it'd be a he.
Yeah.
Oh, you are in great shape, Harry. Oh, good boy. What do you guys do for fun? Like, do you guys have to do any activities? Do you like to snorkel or swim or anything like that?
We would like to swim for
Gotcha.
sure. Yeah, the water is warm and
is.
it's very fun for this.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we like to do treks too.
Do what?
Treks.
Oh,
like,
gotcha. Okay.
Walking in the mountains and
Yeah.
live with your backpack with water and some food, and then
Then you're off and away. That sounds perfect. So tell me, so you wanted to make this build on the cheap so that you could spend your money on fun things and life and things like that. So what do you like? Tell me a little bit about the cost for this vehicle, like the build out and stuff.
Okay, yeah. So we paid that truck in US dollar about $4,800 US.
That's great. That's a great deal. And this is a 2010?
2011
2011. That is a great deal. How
Yeah.
did you find that?
on Kijiji.
Is that a Quebec Craigslist of sorts, or?
Yeah, kind of. Yes, exactly. Yeah. So we found that, and why it's cheap, why we paid that truck cheap is because the high mileage. Like,
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you have over 225,000 miles. So that's the reason.
Any issues with the engine so far?
No issue with the engine. Yeah, so we paid that. We did the trip to Guatemala and came back to Vancouver,
Okay.
which is in British Columbia, and I think we did at least 25,000 miles in that trip.
Wow. Okay.
We have zero issue,
That's
nothing.
Perfect.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
But after that, we put maybe $1,500 to change the 4 brake disc,
Okay.
the 4 brake pads, the fuel pump,
Okay.
and I think that's some of the tires.
Oh, the tires. Okay,
Yeah.
gotcha.
Yeah.
And then as far as how much did it cost to build out the inside, do you think?
The inside, I would say we put maximum 3,500 US.
Okay, gotcha. So yeah, that's a very cheap build. So altogether, you're looking at $7,000 or $8,000.
Yeah,
And-
8,000, 800, 8,500, something like that. Yes.
Yeah. And so and that's for your home. So
Yeah.
that's pretty cheap for a home.
Totally, yeah. And for lit, if everybody asks about the mileage that we get, you say gallon. How you say that in English? In US?
Miles per gallon.
Miles per gallon.
Uh-huh.
We do about 15 to 16 liters per 100 kilometers.
Okay.
So we'll have to convert that.
Yeah, I'll
Sorry.
convert that back when I'm home.
Yes. Yeah, which is I guess at least 10, maybe 8. No. Yeah, I have no idea.
Yeah, I can't do
Sorry.
that math in my head, that's for sure. But that's great. I mean, my motorhome gets 5 or 6 miles per gallon, so it's better than that, I'm sure. So how long is your vehicle?
This van is 20.5 feet long.
Oh, that's perfect. So it makes it easier to go around town and stuff?
Yes, this is one of the reasons we love it so much. And if we buy another camper van in the future, we will probably not go longer than that.
Okay.
Because we can do everything, park everywhere without any problems. But I think it's close to the maximum to do everything we want. Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect. And how much did you say this weighs?
It's about without the stuff we put in it, it's about 6,000 pounds.
About 6,000 pounds. Okay, that's pretty light. That's excellent. Well, that was such a cool tour that we just got. I love the fact that they did it so cheaply, under budget, very just efficient, utilitarian. Loved it. What did you guys think of the build? Could you live in something like that? I liked how the bed spread out, made it into a bigger bed. So many cool things about that. So let me know what you guys think. Could you live in something like this? Could you travel down in Baja? Could you build something like this yourself? Let us know in the comments below. Please give us some love, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, you guys, have a great day.